How to sell your items in Facebook. So let's see through this video. First of all, open up your Facebook and make sure that you are logged in with your ID. Here in the screen you can see the home like option. Simply tap on that. After tapping, you will be able to see the sell and search option. Since we are looking to sell something, tap on the sell option over here, and here select the option based on what you are trying to sell. For now, I am selecting the items option over here. After selecting, this will be displayed over here, and here you have to add the photos of your items and add the title and fix the price. You have to explain the condition and also describe what the item actually is. After fulfilling this all, you can simply tap on the publish option in the right upper corner. Then your post will be published to the public. After that, the customers who are interested in your product will directly text you in your messenger, and you can easily sell your product. So in this simple step, you can sell your items through Facebook. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.